In this video, we will cover the basic system operations of an UltraSync system. We'll start with arming the system in the Arm Away mode. From the overview screen, select the Arm Away icon. This initiates the arming sequence, and the hub will provide an audible beep indicating that the countdown has started. Selecting the Arm Away icon a second time will silence the audible beep and will allow the countdown to continue. To arm the system in the Arm Stay mode, select the Arm Stay icon. This will initiate the arming sequence. There is no audible beep when arming in the Stay mode. Selecting the Arm Stay icon a second time will set the system so that it immediately goes into alarm when the sensor is activated. To disarm the system, simply select the Disarm icon. This will immediately disarm the system. System arming and disarming can also be done from the sensor screen. If a sensor is in the open state, your system will indicate that it is not ready to arm. You will need to either close the sensor or bypass the sensor before the system can be armed. Bypassing a sensor is done from the sensor screen. The sensor that is open will appear at the top of the list. Simply select the bypass icon and the system will then be ready to arm. The sensor will remain in the bypass mode until you reset the sensor by selecting the bypass icon a second time. It's important to note that when a sensor is in the bypass mode, the system will not go into alarm if that sensor is activated.